Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Posory POS, a powerful point-of-sale app designed to help you manage and grow your business. Posory is available on the App Store and works on both iPhone and iPad. In this video, I'll show you how to add items to your store. There are two ways to add products in Posory. The first method is by adding products to your inventory and selling them by scanning their barcodes. This is perfect for retail stores and businesses with a large number of products. I'll cover that method in a separate video. Today, we're focusing on the second method, which is ideal for restaurants, coffee shops, food trucks, cafes, and other small businesses. Let's get started. Open the app and tap the plus button in the top right corner to open the Add Item page. Here, you can add a photo for your item. You can either use one of the images provided by Posory or choose your own image from your photo gallery. Next, enter the item name, such as espresso, burger, t-shirt, or any product or service you sell. Then enter the selling price. If you use inventory tracking, you can also link this item to your inventory. Every time you make a sale, Posory will automatically reduce the stock quantity. You can also create options for your products, such as sizes, toppings, extras, or any custom options your business needs. Once you finish setting everything up, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Your new item will instantly appear on the homepage. If you'd like, you can also assign it to a category for better organization. To add the item to the cart, simply tap it once. Tap it multiple times to increase the quantity. If you want to edit the item, manage its options, change its position, or delete it, simply press and hold the item, then choose the action you need. When you're ready, review the cart and tap Checkout to complete the sale. After that, you can instantly share the receipt with your customer. And that's only the beginning. Posory also includes powerful features like sales analytics, inventory tracking, receipt history, and many more tools designed to help you run and grow your business. Download Posory POS today and start managing your business the smarter way.